the diagnostic on the feed pulse. Diagnostics passed. We're clear for the next phase.
This surface finish looks good.
Yeah, but look at the symmetry here on the top plate.
Okay.
Grab the micrometer, let's double check the width.
The run out is within tolerance at the muzzle.
Looks good. Let's check the chamber end again.
Pressure spiking on the analog.
Digital readout confirms. Increase the coolant flow.
The finish is holding up well, but look here. That's within tolerance.
Yeah.
Send it through.
The specs on this one, check out.
Good. Keep the line moving.
The tolerances look good on this batch.
Confirmed. Logging the data now. The support spacing here is irregular.
Yes, I see that on the schematic. Let me shift this barrel. There, that should resolve it.
The tolerance on the last batch was tighter. Yes, I'm adjusting the feed rate now.
Run the diagnostic on the feed pole assembly.
Diagnostics passed. We are clear for the next phase.
Torque that bolt to 75.
75, copy that.
We need another barrel assembly over here.
Are the units ready for the wash station?
Yes, calibrating now.
How are the levels on this batch? The coating looks a bit uneven here.
No, the cure rate is stable. We are clear for the next phase.
Okay, the serial reads ZT49K. Check against the digital manifest.
It matches. Confirmed and logged.
The readings on the feed mechanism are clear.
Confirmed. We can sign off on this unit.
Keep coming back slowly.
Looks good. Set them down right there.
Manifest says 40 crates, but I only count 39.
The last one is being loaded now.
All strapped and ready to go here.
Make sure bay 3 is clear.
It's clear. Bring it in slowly.
Hold it. Move it slightly to the right. Okay, easy down now. Watch your spacing.
Align it to the left. Looks good. Set it down. Check the ID on the blue container there.
Yeah, right.
Looks correct according to the tablet. We are clear for loading.
Are these 50 cals ready for the European shipment manifest?
Yeah, just finalizing the paperwork now.
They're good to go.
Las medidas están correctas.
Excelente trabajo. Esta unidad está lista para enviar.
Finally quiet in here. Yeah, ready for that break.